we have, without fear or favor, arrived at a recommendation on the first petition. Article 146 Committee of Inquiry hands our recommendation of first petition against Gertrude Tokono to President Mahama. Yente de Mukai.
Notify the public about it. She was further duly informed. When we commenced our work on the 15th of May 2025, the Minister of State for Government Communications was briefed to notify the public about it. There has been considerable interest in our work, shown through comments and opinions by Ghanaians and international observers as well. However, the committee restrained itself all along from reacting, even when blatant false statements were made about members of the committee and our work. To the committee, our mandate and remit is set out under Article 146 clauses 7 and 8 of the Constitution. It's clear, and it is to inquire into the petitions in camera, hear the person against whom the petitions have been brought in her defense by herself or by her lawyer or other aspect of the case, and then make a recommendation to you, Mr. President. As I have said above, 3 petitions were referred to us. And though all 3 petitions seek the same relief, each petition is distinct and will succeed or fail on its individual strengths or weaknesses. Mr. President, without disclosing the substance of the proceedings, and since in-camera proceedings is not the same as in secret, we can state that in respect of the first petition, we received evidence by Mr. Daniel Oforo, the first petitioner, through 13 witnesses.
Okay. So His Excellency, the President, and so Ade Akye. Now, President John Dramani Mahama has, in accordance with Article 1469 of the Constitution, removed the Chief Justice. Removed. Initially, he was suspended. Now, Her Ladyship Justice Gertrude Araba Esaba Sakitokono Mamidinwa has been removed from office with immediate effect. This follows receipt of the report of the committee constituted under Article 1466 to inquire into a petition submitted by a Ghanaian citizen, Daniel Ofori, after considering the petition and the evidence. The committee found that the grounds of state misbehavior under Article 1461 had been established and recommended a removal from office. Under Article 1469, the president is required to act in accordance with the committee's recommendation. It's a committee recommendation, no, and Omanhene Yaw adwuma.
Daniel Ofori petition in a year.
And a year adwuma. Stated misbehavior. Stated misbehavior and the chin is say, Mamma no aye niamo ho sem. Ni subane na niam bi odan de no emfata Chief Justice. Eti corruption nim bibia nim na mom wa bobra bi a emfata Chief Justice adwuma. Azante. Stated misbehavior.
Say normally charges 2 pennies so wetin dey abono. Say stated misbehavior na ba ku bi kan.
Corruption and something that is not worth a salt. But stated misbehavior no emood. Article 1461 no ye stated misbehavior. Say subanya eno ne say abantie no abantie ya ode ayikoyi
Daniel Ofori no
o se maame no niam bi o ye ewo ono na sembi odi ho
maame ne tiatia
no edume bi kra ne lawyer o me ye chi no man contempt ye fa ne kotum ena eniam bi a emfata Chief Justice o dano adi omuso go trans no omuso hwe mu no Abrantia so nkomo obeka nchesa maame no ni subanye eti suban no mudi gina so no mapam no nyesa bia wa eboni bia de wo ni suban fata Chief Justice me we no se sie yaw. Now the debate is maame no obenya bibi afri adwuma o ye nyina mu severance pay bi beba because a Chief Justice retire on his or her salary.
Yeah.
This woman was sacked. He has been sacked.
She'll lose everything.
So it's like she has lost virtually everything. A Juma year for 31 years, you know, it's gone down the drain.
There's another letter B. I know President S.I. My name say Grace or platform also. And na unse na man for be contemplate say ye na free no more as Chief Justice. But the entitlement and the as a Supreme Court
judge. Yeah, the
memano. But our statement, you know, and they making it black and white, or see she has been removed as Chief Justice and Justice of
that so Yahweh maintain close for you. There is a difference between say Abia you can say on step it down.
Yes,
you see now therefore know ye all men that I John Dramani know ye all men. I John Dramani Mahama, president in pursuance of the said Article 1469, do hereby remove the said Chief Justice, Justice Getu Albert Saba Saktumo, from the office of the Chief Justice and Justice of the Supreme Court with effect from the date hereof. We in lawyer and Troy. I have hereunto set my hand and cause the presidential seal to be affixed at Accra this 1st of September 2025. Oh, the lawyer and Troy. I'm press secretary no. Callistus. Mama. Hearing the in Nunya Bemudia. Now lawyer for bro for Aba. So Yahweh, we know you removing as Justice of the Supreme Court.
Yes.
You removing as head of the judiciary. Ye nefri Justice of the Supreme Court to me quite bio. And the asa aje to me I demand no man it's na on every home. No semi wahane. If you catch him say I'm no more the host of the morning show. You better make say I have been removed as host of the morning show. But bet my ejuma.
Yes.
Bet my betra no more. Ebia as maybe a panel and a baby. But when I have been given a letter of dismissal, me be juma betra say me dey yaw and I dey me count my say. Me ba be dey. Mamene Dominic Brenya to Chinkomo. Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, Lawyer Brenya.
Hello.
Now, point to say.
Uncle Padu, I'm sorry.
Line. Say, Bibia Boko, dear.
Boko, my
you.
I'm sorry.
Men so me hoye pa. Ano pay Chief Justice, Dada. Tokunu Omanhene Yaw or the Secretary say recommendation Article 146 they be told the which say on stated misbehavior anti wa yinadi na krata ba ko e ba no know ye all men no was say or no John Dramani Mahama eyi maame no free wo as the Chief Justice and Justice of the Supreme Court pacho ase any say
okay. So I know you, Oman, no. Warrant, President Ben Sasha, I want them to the year to be shy. And yet, ordinary Chief Executive, you need it. Like I said, termination of employment. We may get from my mem after committee edition. Our President, in who may be asked of a session, said, maybe 2 I mean, when the ordinary committee, the President, they issue white paper. You know, I know your warrant.
Okay.
So another document about you President Secretary Echokoma, former Chief Justice, or church room require adequate or you now or attach the warrant. You moving her as one of the head of the one of the arms of government.
Osaka who said we're removing as Chief Justice and Justice of the Supreme Court. Ebi mo say maame no entitled to ebia some pay ebi na say niema bi ebi mo say da bi ne pension ni bibia no onya pacho kire mu kakra
men omo so onya ne ya de onim be say remove as Chief Justice and the Justice of the Supreme Court. And this is you were denied the semester. Now, young Hadi, come on, and not the judges may think of wedding. I'm go through this now. Where they entitled to their benefits? No. I don't know why money be near you. So why do you benefit or be compensated? Into in fact, the book the obituary justice of the Supreme Court by next justice. You know, that is all. It's as simple as that. So if you see the amount for arguing, but it must come from somewhere. And last time, you can't think the High Court they went through all this procedure. Me, you, Madi. Young Crano tried the laureate. She was not entitled to a benefit.
Charlotte say?
Charlotte say, Madi. They were not entitled to any benefit. Why is it different from the former Chief Justice?
Lawyer Dominic Mami, Juma, by this decision, no, Onyashi or Kofi.
Unfortunately, that's how it is. But you must not benefit from a wrong. The same misbehavior and say you don't fit and you're not proper.
You're not fit for purpose.
Yes. And so why should you benefit from it? No, be a baby. You know what? Central retire would have retired on her salary. So now what happens? Nobody should think that unfortunately, you will not be entitled to any benefit.
In the course of the arrangement, committee, no, say or resign and can.
In fact, also resigning. Whom are you resigning to the president and now to who? But so if who are resigning to, no, the person has a right to even refuse it because you want to truncate the process now to escape maybe the finding of wrongdoing against you. So the president could have even
refused the resignation.
Yes.
Okay. Eba say now a precedent has been set. For the first time in our dispensation, a Chief Justice has been removed. Nebi Musro sang here. Eba ko fan sembia bane ade. Uhuni sa.
Asama remember say. Nka sister amba na say the tia actually Chief Justice bia otisu bia no so say be courtin shawase. Because any flimsy idea and president of the day, no, a best set up the committee. Yeah, you would. A man of people can use a man of mischievously to achieve their end. Now, I was saying, for fast yes, or yes, you need power and free president. Well, the man into me, the Chief Justice, and I say, even appointment. A game plan. It's sad. Because Vice President, Speaker of Parliament, said yes, Chief Justice. The Chief Justice is the head of one of the arms of government. They even ordinary. They say, "Obi the Igbo as someone here, okay, establish a prima facie case." The cost for me, I say, it is done. Why? Adia, even occupy Ghana, the court said, if you spend money being here, you surcharge. The ordinary person be or head of an civil servant or public servant be. If he spends money that he was not entitled to, and after he pays money that he was not supposed to pay, the person is charged. We find those money. Why do we lower the bar in case of a head of one of the arms of government, in this case the Chief Justice, and then based on that we move her or him in future, whatever. And we are setting a bad, a dangerous precedent. The Bible yes, why this why you. No matter what, it's somebody will find something to remove a Chief Justice or somebody in future. It is not good.
So many tonight for young Comra.
I got at the end of the day. Not any moon.
That's all the okay from day one. As a mammy, no, onion to no uncle. So, but say. Na even kura no the resignation letter no kura kwa na president wait maka se minsom menya ka se meyi wadin de transna menyi wadi ansa na obakwa Ghana
jago da sana na go etina je se
ehu
maame no ye no ane entina se esa se or Trawa Chiam Yababi no said na even Crano or the resignation letter Cogra
that man so
President Renye Abaka Secretary Tracy
no me you adi
Eura you adi me it is Tracy you adi so it is na kwakoye but akota amafo keka said the IC HRS by 1st November na woman no Jemensa no so ko
oh Jemensa the only ready
that amount for kika say
because em comedy a course so before elections bakunie esi
yes
eti Jemensa me ne no anka me petition yankoye no kwon retire
awode bia na da ho a
da bi say ne enya meto odwa
ese no yes
president nya ka kire say wa woso de ama bafomonia and it takes effect. It's a Jemensa to see maybe based on ailment to be an answer incapacitation. Warizaya obeji the full bibiao.
Na acting chief justice between electoral commission boss edi.
Acting chief justice.
And substantive we.
And until you be confirm.
Sir.
Papa no so 6 months.
So no so ni
I can't 6 months no oko
as a bed disease.
And what now acting chief justice no. Minim se mrem wonu so betina wo sanke busa brenya. Ni enye nru ho. Say acting chief justice. That's all actia. I don't think there are certain powers Abia devoid of him.
Sir acting yes niam bi wo ho a wo be.
Eno dey say we acting CEO cry there are certain parameters are to me call. But me name say acting no a chief justice no. Just yebusem.
Obetima yi obi adi.
Just yebusem. Ono onye adi o. Oba set a committee.
Sakota ayidie ni be free ho na aba. E be free ono no table so.
Ono no dey. O set committee ni we are normal dey dey be no dey ama president.
Na president ayi.
Na president ayi.
Tu na be yi madi.
It is possible say yebusem asante ba bi ti o tiawa na. Memra branch yo.
Democracy no in every facet sana meka no nema biwa ye mu bi da enti esi anokoni ya na ye ja tum eye den o ka se na bi before no person mu yi ayi confront free parliament na ye nti bi da.
That's right.
O ma maka sa fe o ma tia se won fa IMF nema no ko wiye mu di tum eni for sa ko fa pa se en ko fa sensa motion bi ba ko ye nti bi da. I'm not saying there be any sense of motion be into. And it might be see whether for the good or for the bad. It's me chief just in 7 or mine. Or me and some of my car say what they in a bush and 4-2 coin. And then some of a branch than it won't be. So near the bush and 4-2 coin easy. Were they entitled to pay DM or whatever.
Your microphone.
Were they entitled to all these things? So if they were entitled to that, why should on that ground until you did him amnedi? And I said no, we're not entitled to. Oh, maybe the Embrano on the former chief justice was the law
is the law.
Is it true? Say the law is the law. My can I say, oh my, maybe Embrano. I said, Bakua, lawyer for the transfer. Na adani, na we musa ko transfer na adani jemi. Means that the law only works at the time. I said, what is one na de mani ajumo. Because I say mo ye on say amode koi amana na do say it lack weight prima facie be no to establish again
the same case na enya weight
as enya case. So where is the law? Me how nya no and
no banana there no on say it is not to be published and Professor Azar or publish here petition no
may whom nsem
eti the issue no nanka bia say one publish here kananado be set committee ena say one publish na kananado set committee ema committee no so tena so no mu claim amena you cannot be
you
shouldn't be double jeopardy
eti
nanka Professor Azar one publish na asem no a ke favor ma amena
ebi so ne OSP also was surviving the same thing. No petition is our money when you be my the command chief justice. Emma mo clear no.
So the tokunu ya na
and ya clear no want to mean for the same yina enko.
Enko bio.
O man dem can say the law is the law no. O mami kan ya akofa se ma be. the law now me with problem with the interpretations because a word back now we actually say at the far.
I don't say na ho bra maame na sem no nie. Sa ka bio maame na sem no.
The law is the law.
No matter how many noises are made, the law is the law.
Be your sponsor why. Abusia for your dane ho aba.